Third time's a charm. My gosh. I'll tell you why we have such a hard time. And this is what our internet guy said. Look at our walls. They're all concrete block. And that's not the best for internet. I'm going to wait just a little bit. I know everyone's probably tired of this. And I'm humbled you guys still jump on here with my issues with my internet. Okay, so we're going to try this one more time. The little dog that I have here is the same dog I posted that had all the ticks around the nose, the really engorged ones. The dog was absolutely infested to a point where he's anemic. This is also the same little dog that I was told was hit by a car, and I didn't notice I wasn't informed this until he got here. The leg is dangling. So we've made him an appointment at our vet. She couldn't get him in until Tuesday for his x-ray. But in the meantime, he's on pain meds, and this is what worries me. When they're this infested with ticks, they're anemic, and you don't do surgery on dogs that are this anemic. You just can't. So he's going to have to rest and heal and be in his body's going to have to be in and ready for surgery, because I do think he is going to need it. But when I tell you Sweet, oh my. Look at this. Come here, sweetie. And you can tell he's not feeling great, and that's again, he probably had thousands of ticks on him. And you can see that little bottom lip. How sweet is that? Aw. Poor thing. Look at his little teeth. So very cute. You a good boy. And the girls have named him Hiccup, because this little hiccup in his life is going to be past soon, and he's gonna be just fine. We're gonna find him a good home. Yes, he's a good boy. Are you a good boy? He's a good boy. We got him all bathed, and we have the groomer coming tomorrow to get the other ones that I did not bathe yesterday. So she's coming tomorrow to clean up Margarita. This one is soft as a little rabbit. We're still pulling ticks off, but they're dead. They're dead. So for this $5 Friday, I just want you to know this is the type of work you support here at Tracy's Paws, and we genuinely appreciate each and every one of you.